ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 86, ஸ்லோகா 8. யுத்தே द्रोणस्य हस्तिस्थिररण भगदत्तेरितं वैष्णवास्त्रं वक्षस्याधत्त चक्रस्थगितरविमहाः प्रार्थयत् सिन्धुराजं नागास्त्रे कर्णमुक्ते क्षितिम् अवनमयन् केवलं कृतमौलिं तत्रापि पार्थं किमिव न हि भवान् पाण्डवानाम् अकार्षीत्. Word by word meaning. Dronasya yuddhe, in the fight against Drona. Hastisthira rana bhagadatte ritam, Hastina, on an elephant. Sthiraha, firmly seated. Ranaha, fighting. Bhagadattena, by Bhagadatta. Ritam, discharged. Vaishnavastram, the Narayana missile. Vakshasi adhatta, thou didst receive on thy chest. Chakrastha gita ravi mahaha, chakrastha gita, hiding with the discus. Ravi mahaha, the rays of the sun. Sindhurajam, the king of Sindhu, Jayadratha. Prardayat, didst get him killed by Arjuna. Nagastre, when the Naga missile. Karna Mukte, was discharged by Karna. Kshitim, the earth. Avanamayan, lowering. Tatra api, then also. Partham, Arjuna. Kevalam Krittamaulim, with only his headgear broken. Tatre, didst save. Bhavan, thou. Pandavanam, for the Pandavas. Kimiva na akarshit, what didst not do? Full meaning. In the fight against Drona, when Bhagadatta, the son of Narakasura, who was fighting firmly seated on an elephant, discharged the Narayana missile, thou didst receive it on thy chest, and didst thus save Arjuna. By hiding the sun's rays with thy discus, thou didst enable Arjuna to kill Jayadratha. When the Naga missile was discharged by Karna, thou didst save Arjuna by lowering the earth so that only his headgear was severed. What didst thou not do for the Pandavas? Om Tat Sat.